This is a tutorial regarding MS Excel. In this tutorial, I am going to tell about the preparation of MS Excel sheet, which can be easily printed on any size paper of your choice. Here, I will prepare a A4 size printable MS Excel sheet. Let us start. I have already prepared a raw Excel data which is not properly organized. I am going to prepare it in a well organized. Okay, open it. Here we go. I am keeping blank the column of serial number, phone number, loan amount, loan account number, and photo. I will fill it with some tricks. Before filling up the blank cells, I will make the full column size by simply double clicking at the border of the column header for all columns. Yeah, and for this also, and for this, and let's make the page margin be visible to become easy while preparing printable MS Excel sheet. Press the Office button or File menu, then move the mouse over the Print command and select Print Preview. Now click on the page setup and select the paper size of your choice. Here I am selecting A4 size paper. Under the margin tab, set the margin of your choice. I am setting 1 inch for all margin except header and footer. Then press OK. Now close the print preview. On the Excel sheet, dotted line is appear, and we have to work inside this dotted line. This dotted line indicates the size of our work area on the Excel sheet, which has to be printed on a A4 size paper. As I have choose the A4 size paper as my paper size. Now I will adjust the column width to appear all the data on my single A4 size paper when printed. Okay, make it small and make it smaller. Okay, it's come. Text under the name field has to cross the column border while reducing the column width to show all the text only inside the constant cell. Just press the column header and press the wrap text under the home menu. Now the text is showing only inside the concerned cell, and I like to write the amount at the next line just below the loan without reducing the column width. To bring the amount at the next line, just keep the cursor before the amount and press Alt Enter. It comes. Let us fill up the serial number. Just fill up only the first two cells, 1 and 2. Then select both and drag the mouse. It will automatically fill up the serial number. We can also do like this. Just delete it, keeping the first two serial number, and select first two serial number. Then double click at the bottom right corner and it will automatically fill up the serial number. With this method, the only problem is that when there is any blank cell, then it will stop auto numbering before the blank cell. So be careful if you have lots of records. Then let's fill up the phone number field. Phone number field should be 10 digits number only. It should not accept any characters or symbol. So I will validate phone number field to accept only 10 digit numbers. Select the phone number column and go to the data menu then select data validation. Under the setting tab, change the allowed field to be whole number and data field as between, then set the minimum value as, press the nines as 9 times 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, and the maximum as 9 to be 10 times 9 9 9 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It will allow only 10 digit number. Then change the error alert. Here you can set your own error title and error message. I am giving title as invalid data and error message as phone number should be 10 digits number only. Then press OK. Now when enter any data which is not 10 digit number, it will show an error message like this. Cancel it. Now I will fill all the phone number columns with valid data 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 0, and copy all this thing there. Okay, now I will validate the loan amount field to accept only number with or without decimal point. As before, select the loan amount column under the data menu. Select data validation under the setting tab. Change the allowed field as decimal and select greater than or equal to from the data field. Now set the minimum value as 0. You can also set the error message under the error alert tab. I will set the title as invalid data and error message as only number is allowed. Then press OK. Here also, whenever I try to enter any characters or minus value, it will shows the message like this. Okay, just cancel it. Now I will fill up the valid data for the loan amount. Here we go. In the loan account number field, I will put the numbers starting with 0. When I press enter, it will automatically remove the zeros before the number. To put the zeros before the number, type single quote, then zeros and numbers, then it will shows the zeros before the number. Let's fill up the remaining fields of the loan account numbers with the similar method like this, and this also. Okay, only the photo fill is remaining to fill up. To add the photo, go to insert tab and select picture. Now search the photo you want to add and select all the photos you want to add. I will select only 5, then click on the insert button. Photos is coming here. Height of the photo is higher than the height of the row of the Excel. So to increase the row of the Excel with making the equals row height for all the rows, just select all the cells by pressing Ctrl A, or just click at the leftmost corner of the column header and drag the row height till you get the desired height. Now put the photos to the photo cells one by one. Here also here, here, and here, on here also. Photos is at their places. I have put, but still it is not fixed with the rows. When I am trying to hide or filter data, the photo will be overlap like this. I will make that filter fill, go to data and filter. Let's filter a fill. Photo is overlapping here. So all to solve this problem, after putting all the photos to their cells, select one photos. To select the multiple photos, just press Ctrl while selecting the photos, then right click on the photos selected and choose size and properties. Under the properties tab, choose move and size with cells option and press close. Now while hiding or filtering, there will be no issue. Let's check it. Let's hide it, these rows. Photo is not overlap, and then show this again. Okay. Okay. Now filter it. Okay. Yeah. Here also the photos are not overlapping. This is the end of this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel for more related videos, and thank you for watching.